and these are the MeloAudio Open Ear Kids Headphones. They are for ages 3 to 16 plus, and here is going to be the power button. So we can hold the power button for 2 seconds and it turns it on. We can see here that it's blinking. Also right here is how we charge it. It does come with the USB cord. All we need to do is have a charging block to stick it into. What I personally like about these headphones is how they fit over the ear. And so all they've got to do is slide over. You can see right here, it fits right over the ear. That way the noise is going right in here, but there's not anything going directly in the ear. This is compatible with the phones, the tablets, any of those type of devices. It connects with Bluetooth. If this is connected to a cell phone, another great feature is you can answer it by pushing the button, and you can speak into the microphone and be able to have a conversation. So it is all right here. Overall, this has been a great addition when we travel in the car. Another feature that I like about it is when the kids are out riding or going on a walk or things like that, they are able to connect these to their device. They can still hear what's going on around them. So it's not going to be completely noise canceling. They can hear if there's a person behind them or a car behind them, which is very important to me. I want them to be aware of their surroundings, but I still want them to be able to enjoy their music or podcast. Overall, we've been extremely happy with these. The kids like how they fit, and I hope you found the review helpful.